Hi students, first exercise before two problems completed. Now third question, how many different rectangles can you make with a 24 centimeters long stick with integral sides, and what are the sides of their rectangle in centimeters? Answer. So they given total 24 centimeters long stick. They given. So with 24 centimeters long stick with integral sides, what are the sides of those rectangles in centimeters? You need to have two lengths and two widths. Further, means we know that perimeter 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B means 2 times length, 2 times width or breadth. So whatever it is, 2 into L plus B equal to 24. They give a 24 centimeters. 2 into L plus B equal to 24 centimeters. Means L plus B equal to 2, send that side, product is there, send that side, it will change it to divide. 24 by 2. L plus B equal to 12. So what you take length and breadth, that two add, we get 12. Like that, choose that measures. So for example, 11 plus 1. 11 comma 1. One of the pair of length and breadth. Means 2 into L plus B, we get 24 here. Add length and breadth, we get 12. That all possible to construct a rectangle in centimeters. Next, 10, 2. 10 plus 2, we get 12. Length, breadth. Like that, another pair, how many possible to construct a measures in the two measures? 9 comma 3 and 8 comma 4, 7 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. These pairs are possible to construct a perimeter having 24 centimeters possible measures. Fourth question. A flower bed is in the shape of a square with side 3.5 centimeters. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of rope. Find the cost of rope required at 15 rupees per meter. Here we want to construct a square having square 3.5 centimeters. Measure they given. We know that square all sides are equal. All sides are equal. 3.5 centimeters, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 centimeters. All are centimeters. Perimeter. So we know that perimeter of flower bed equal to, perimeter means 4 into side. 4 into side they given 3.5. 3.5 into 4, 14.0 means 14 centimeters. They given centimeters. Centimeters or meters? Meters they given. Sorry, here meters, right? Here also meters. Total they given meter. For that, each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of rope. 4 rows of rope. Therefore, the length of the rope required equal to 4 into 14. 4 into 14 equal to 56 meters. Now cost of per meter means 1 meter. 1 meter of rope equal to 15 rupees. Cost of, here we get 14 here, perimeter 14. 4 rows they given. 14 into 4, we get 56. Total length required 56 meters. And they given cost of per meter rope 15 rupees. Now cost of, we get here 56 meters. 56 meters of rope equal to 15 into 56 equal to 840 rupees. Fifth question. A piece of wire is 60 meters of long. What will be the length of each side strength used to from? They given one of the figure equilateral triangle. They given 60 meters long. First one, an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, we know that all sides are equal. Means triangle having 3 sides. 3 into side equal to 60. They given 60 centimeters. Want to find side. Side equal to. Here into is there, and that side it will change it to divide. 60 by 3. 3 20s. Therefore, side equal to 20 centimeters. Side of equilateral triangle 20 centimeters. And the second one, a square. Second one, a square. Square means we know that all sides are equal. Square having 4 sides. 4 sides are equal. 4 into side. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. 4 into side equal to 60 centimeters they given. Side equal to 60 by 4. Here do cancellation. We get 15 centimeters. Therefore, side of a square. Side of a square equal to 15 centimeters. Next. Third question. A regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Hexagon means we know that having 6 sides. 6 sides having a polygon is called hexagon. Means 6 into side equal to 60. Side equal to 60 by 6. Here do cancellation. 6 tenths. Therefore, side of regular hexagon. Side equal to 10 centimeters. Next, fourth one. Regular pentagon. A regular pentagon. 5 sides having of a polygon is called pentagon. Pentagon having 5 sides. 5 into side. 5 into side equal to, they given 60 centimeters. Side equal to 60 by, here 5 multiplies this and that side it will change it to divide. To cancellation, 5 12s. 12 5 60. Like therefore, side of regular pentagon equal to 12 centimeters. Sixth question. Bunty and Bubbly go for jogging every morning. Bunty goes to around a square park of side 80 meters and Bubbly goes to around rectangular park with length 90 meters and breadth 60 meters. If they both to make 3 rounds, who covers greater distance and by how much? Here Bunty round around us square park, Bubbly rectangular park. Perimeter of square. We know that square perimeter 4 into side. 4 into 80. They given 80 centimeters. 80 into 4, 320 centimeters. This is Bunty. Next Bubbly. Perimeter of rectangular. Rectangular park. So we know that perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. 2 into length they given 90. Breadth 60. 90 plus 60 we get 150. 150 into 2. 300 meters. If both covers 3 rounds. Both members covers with 3 rounds. Means Bunty ran. Here we get 320 centimeters. 320 into 3 equal to 960 meters. Next, Bubbly ran 300 we get here. 3 rounds. 300 into 3 we get 900. 300 into 3 900 meters. About these two measures, who will more? Bunty is more. How much? 960 minus 900 will get 60 meters. Therefore, Bunty ran more by 60 meters. This is Bunty, Bubbly. So, Bunty 960, Bubbly 900. Who will more? Here Bunty is more. How much? 960 minus 900 will get 60 meters more.